Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the brand new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour product that they just came out with in the shade C7. Now there are 18 shades, but I believe C7 was meant for me. So let's go ahead and look at the packaging. It has a kind of rosy gold label on it. There is 0.11 fluid ounces, 3.4 milliliters in each container. It is a liquid concealer. It lasts for 12 months, and there is caution for adult use only, and also it is made in Taiwan. I decided to purchase my Conceal and Define shade at Ulta Beauty, which is available online and in stores, I believe. But this is the wand. It reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, but just a little shorter, same thickness. And let's go ahead and see what the consistency is. Now I got the shade C7, which is described as a medium tone with peachy undertones, and I believe when I swatched it, it definitely doesn't have super peachy undertones. It's more like a true beige, kind of lighter beige shade in my opinion. And the consistency is very, very creamy, which is amazing, and it doesn't dry down too fast. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with natural makeup on my eyes and brows, but no makeup on my face. And we're going to test the concealer out with the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream, which I usually use under my concealers and makeup. And I'm just going to go ahead and rub that in. I'm going to also test it with the EcoTools Micro Blending Brush, which I use to blend out my concealer sometimes, and on the other side test it out with a sponge, which you can also get at Ulta. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So a lot of product comes out when you just dip it in once, so I just made 3 dots on each side, which obviously looks like a lot of product. So the blending side with the EcoTools is definitely more full coverage with a brush, and on the sponge side it definitely is less coverage, which is my preference. And so since it is my preference, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out a little bit more with the sponge. We're going to take the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder and test it out with the same brand powder and see how it works with the concealers on each side. And as you can see, it perfectly paired well with this brand new concealer, which isn't surprising. And it looks amazing. I can't believe it. I'm super shocked, but this is the end result. And now I am going to do my full face of makeup and also show you how it looks. Okay guys, so that was my video. We experimented with the brand new Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. And this does retail for $7 at Ulta, which is where I purchased it. And they have 18 different shades, some to contour with, some to highlight with, and I used this in different ways and tested it out and played with it under my eyes as a concealer. So my opinions on this, I am very stunned. I need to get more shades. I need to see how it works as a contour, but as a concealer, I honestly am super shocked how amazing this concealer is. Now the shade that I did choose was C7, which is still available at Ulta, but there are 3 different shades that are sold out, I think, right now, and it is available at other websites, maybe even Makeup Revolution, or I believe they are sold at a place called Tam Beauty. Maybe I will check out that for you guys, but I purchased this at Ulta, and I cannot believe how good it works on my face, as you can see. I did not need to use an eye cream. I think it works best without the eye cream, which is shocking to me. I usually use an eye cream under my concealers, but this concealer, it actually works better without anything under the eye, so alone. And then I set it with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder, which sometimes gets a little cakey for me, but it sets so beautifully and perfectly, and it was like made for this concealer. Also, I do want to mention you can use a brush if you want a fuller coverage kind of look, but I'm not super into the full coverage. I'm more of a light to medium coverage kind of girl, so I prefer blending it out with a blender. Hey guys, so that was my video. Hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks and experiment and playing around with this concealer. Hope it helped you out. If you're my skin tone, I have dry to normal skin. Again, just for reference, if you have dry to normal skin too, maybe it'll work out for you because it was amazing under my eyes. Also, I do want to mention, if you are interested in the full details of my makeup, I'm actually just going to be posting it on my Instagram, so you can follow me there. It will be in the description box down below. I'm going to be doing a lot more kind of get to the point and experimental videos for you guys, super close up. If you are interested in that, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys!